the treatment, refreshing,
Okay.
and first time color.
What do you have in mind?
I have a picture. So something like this.
Okay.
But I don't like when it's too cold because sometimes it looks too grayish, so I don't like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't like when it's very cold. you
Yeah.
said?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good thing.
Mhm.
Because what I was about to offer you, when the hair is virgin,
Yeah.
is the only time where we can do color without bleach.
Okay.
We can either paint the balayage
Mm-hmm.
with bleach and using a very low peroxide,
Okay.
which the impact on the hair will be very minimal,
Mm-hmm.
and we can give you a little bit lighter shade.
Okay.
Or we rely on high lift color,
Mm-hmm.
which has no bleach,
Mhm.
and we can sometimes mix between high lift color and normal colors.
Okay.
So basically, we're using only color
Mhm.
to paint the balayage. The impact is zero,
Mhm.
so your hair condition will not change at all,
Okay.
but the color will not lighten enough.
Okay.
Means the picture you showed me,
Mhm.
we might not be able to achieve it as a color.
Okay.
In fact, the picture that you showed me, the color is cold, it's not warm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you're telling me you don't want
Yeah.
cold, but that's a cold.
Yeah, it's a cold one.
Yes.
And this too?
This is a cold color too. So those requires to use in the foils bleach, but I can use the very low peroxide because you have a virgin hair.
Yeah. If I don't want to touch the roots, and then we let.
In both, I'm not gonna touch on those. In both of them, either cold or warm.
Okay.
But it's all about what goes in the foil.
Mhm.
If you want cold colors, what goes in the foils, it has to be bleach.
Mhm.
If you don't mind the warm colors, then I can, only in your case, because it's a virgin hair,
Yeah.
I can go with the highest colors or light colors because your hair will respond to that.
I don't like that.
Maybe something like this.
Well, I don't like that.
You
Then
don't like that,
I will
okay.
stick to that.
Okay, then we use the bleach, but we use a very low peroxide. So it's safe anyway.
Okay.
We will paint the balayage. We have different ways of introducing the balayage.
Okay.
When we paint the balayage, literally the balayage will go in within 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
So even the bleach will not be sitting on your hair for a long time. Finish, wash it, tone it if it needs toning.
Okay.
Then when we come back with the anti-frizz is always going to make it healthy.
Yes.
I'll give you a breakdown of the price. If you're happy, let's start. Try it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
الله أكبر يا جمالك كيف يضرب بالصميم يا حبيبي زان حالك والله بحالي عليك.
For shining?
To shine through.
Okay.
That looks gorgeous on me. I mean,
Pretty good.
the elegance in the color, it's a whole different level. You know, what I like about hair that's not thick, just medium, when you introduce such a colors to it, it just brings it to a whole different level. Because the hair feels like there's life to it. It's not just thin and flat.
Yeah. So I got bored.
You know, so it's not just about getting bored. It brings a bit of personality to it. So even the way we did the color today was very natural, but it was enough just to kind of shift you to a whole different elegancy look. You didn't allow me to cut it, which is okay, but next time I need to remove an inch.
Yes.
Because I'm sure people are going to tell me, why you didn't cut this end?
They always do.
Yeah, okay. But how you feel about it in general?
Perfect. Gorgeous. I love it.
It's
Yes.
like what you expected?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, it's still different, but
Good,
love it.
good. Let me get you to stand up, please. Over here. Beautiful. Okay, look at the side. Turn to the front. Yeah, looks stunning on you. Please. Turn. Head back a little bit. Yes. Can you just shake the head a little bit? Yes, right and left. Turn to the front, turn, bring it forward. Yes, beautiful.
Yeah, love it.
Other side. So stay facing forward, just bring it. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. Okay, you can bring it little. Honey, turn to the back. Yes, the slower the better. Stunning. Yeah, turn forward and bring it. Looks amazing.
Yes.
Honestly, really good.
Perfect.
Thank you,
Thank
darling.
you,
You look
thank
amazing.
you.
Thank you.